Hello guys and welcome. All right, so I decided to do this quick video based on question that one of us actually asked in the group page. Okay, that he wants to do a clock and he don't actually know how to do the numbers to, in the very circular form. Okay, so this tips actually is very short and precise. Okay, so without much time wasted, let's get started. All right, so first thing, what you need to do, I have typed the numbers here. You see, I've typed them individually, okay, from 1 to 12. All right, okay. So now the next thing you need to do is to pick your ellipse tool. So once you click on the ellipse tool, you can hold on Shift Control, all right, to actually get a very nice ellipse tool. Then you press P to center it. Okay, all right. So now the next thing that we want to do here is I just want to change this color to red. So I'll just right click on the color here just to change the outline color. Okay, now I'll just go in for my rectangle tool and I'll just draw a very small rectangular image like this, or let me say some kind of shape like this. Then I'll change it to red as well. Okay, all right. So first thing, select both. You can just click to select both. Then you press C and T. C is to center and T for top, as you are seeing it here. Okay, all right. Now we need to duplicate this one in this kind of order. So first thing, what you need to do, come all the way to Window, come to Dockers, and search for transform. Okay, the shortcut key is Alt F7. Then you just click, it will actually appear on your right hand here. Okay, once it appears, select this particular object here. Then what you need to do here is click it to get this kind of rotation icon there. Okay, then you drag this particular one to the center of the circle. Okay, you see center, then you just let it go. Now when you come onto your right hand here, you change the angle here from 0.0 to 30. All right, you leave this side here the way they are. So then what you need to do, you just make 11 copies, but actually we are having one already, so there is no need for us to do 12 copies. Okay, so all what you need to do here is click on apply. So once you click on apply, this is actually how it's going to distribute evenly. Okay, you see the distribution is looking very, very nice. Okay, all right. So now what we need to do here, you can click here to actually collapse it, but I'm not going to do that. Let's just leave it here. We are done with all this. Okay, all right. So now what we need to do here, we are just going to use some two keyboard shortcuts. Okay, that's the letter E and C. Okay, so this is what actually we are just going to use to actually arrange the figures or the numbers in this kind of order. So first, click the number 1, hold down your Shift key, then you just click on this particular very first bar here. Then you press C on your keyboard. You see that the one will move from here to here, and you press E. So the E will actually fall in the middle of this. So you are just going to repeat the same step for all of it. Okay, so I'll do this one and this C and E. All right, you select this one, you select this one, C and E. All right, so you do the same thing for all of them. I'm not going to skip it, I'm just going to do it one after the other so you could actually get how it is. So when you select, hold down your Shift key, then you just select this object to then C and E. All right, so C, E, select, hold down your Shift, click C and E. I'm just repeating the process because I just want you guys to get the understanding very well. Okay, so that's C and E. We are almost there. C and E. Then the very last one is C and E. All right, okay, so now after doing that, we don't need a bars. Okay, so we can just select all of them by holding down our Shift key while we just click to select all the bars. Okay, then I'll just hit on my delete key to delete it. So automatically, you could actually see how beautiful actually this actually is being arranged. It's easy as that. So I'm just going to change this one to black. So I'll just right click on the black, and I could just increase the outline a little bit based on the design that you are doing. Okay, I don't have any design in mind. Mine is to show you how you could actually get this thing actually well arranged. So if it's a clock, you can just make another circle, hit P to center it. Then you could actually make it black. Then you could actually do the hour, the minutes, and the rest. Okay, so let me just do. We all know that the minute is a little longer than the hour. Okay, so let's go by the minutes, and let's create another one also. So let me just go in for this. Let's see, maybe I just want to duplicate this one. So I'll just click and I'll just rotate it. I'll drag this one to the edge of it. Then I'll just rotate it this way, and I can do Control D to duplicate it again. All right. So for the first one, I'll just take this one. Let's just give it some kind of a little bit width. I think one should be okay for all of them. So one, let's go. Let's leave this one. Let's make this one red for the seconds. Okay. Then what we will do here is, with this one is going to be black, but we are just going to reduce it. We all know that for the hour, it's barely not that lengthy. Okay. All right. So with the arrow, it's very easy. We could go all the way to, let me see. Let's go to common shapes. Then I'll just click and I'll select one of them. I'll go for this. Okay. I'll just click, very small, and let's just give it black. All right, then now let's rotate it this way. Okay, so now we bring it down to the hour. Okay, then let me try and see. Let me convert it to curves. Okay, so I could actually have my way to manipulate it the way I want. Okay, and just click here, press down just to reduce it. So that's 2. I'll do same here. That's 2. Let's go again. If it's okay, I could also use the shape tool to actually click here, convert to curves, and I could make it a little bit stylish. Okay, and I'll remove the outline. I don't want any outline. Okay, very nicely. So we just duplicate this one. You just click to rotate it. All right, then you do C just to center. All right, then we do the same thing here. Right, then you just click this one to rotate it somewhere like this. So with this one, I'll bring this one to front. You just right click, go to order to front. Okay, so everything actually will be at the back very nicely. Okay, so this is just a very short tips that I really see it more important to share with you all. Though one person asked this question, but I thought it wise that it will actually help all of you in the group. All right, so if you really enjoy it after watching this video on the group, just give me a thumbs. Okay, guys, so see you in another time.